Are we over there?
Yep. Now all that guy's done is piss me off.
He's not even playing now.
He's not?
No, he's sitting out there.
Pouting?
Probably.
You guys like to play? And it's the third game set? Or? Team deathmatch. Please don't tell me I don't care. They all said, oh, okay. Team deathmatch works for me. I don't care. Thank you.
Medic or team deathmatch?
And make sure semi. Because I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings.
Oh, of course not.
You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, favoritism. Nobody did.
I was on the other team that round, so.
Watch your head.
Oh, were you? No, you weren't.
Huh?
You were on another team, weren't you?
Last round I was.
Yeah.
The round before that. Yeah.
Sema, can you give this guy a verse just to show him what semi? No shot, full auto.
Oh.
There's the difference.
Yo, ready? Get the doorway, get the doorway.
I got it.
Oh! Good one, Flippy. Thank you.
He's right there, right on that corner.
Where?
Corner of the kill house, corner of the kill house.
Do me a favor, Come over here and watch this. I see him. Back away for a minute. I don't see him. He must have moved.
Right at the corner, you need to look after him.
I ain't there no more. They're moving down that way. Reload. Ah. Thank you. Jesus Christ.
I know that they haven't been calling all day.
Alright, you get one hash.
What?
Trigger figure.
What's that?
You have one S faster figure. You have one S faster figure. You have one S faster figure.
That's what happened to that guy. He thought we were shooting full auto on
I
him.
was just listening to it, I was like,
Donahue, can you pick up that drawer right there so we don't get hit? Thanks, buddy. What's that? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Reload. Someone's got a beat on us, so watch it. Watch that doorway. Flippy, where you at? Why is that? Flippy! Watch it, watch. On your side. What? Watch their spawn out in a suicide alley. Red light! Good call, good call. Over here, POW. How many respawns? 2. I feel like I should just take a respawn on principle. Come here, you sexy bitch. I don't care about the game.
You won!
You won!
Leave me alone.
Yo! Still up! Oh yeah?
Game over! Game over. That was just jump out
I got hit by a kid. He hung out in there. I took out like 4 people in here. I came in, I was like, oh yeah, I got this game so locked. He was like bang bang. I was like this. He waves his hand. He's like, I'm down here. I'm like, good hit, brother. Damn, that was a quick game.
All right. Sometimes I like helping the litlins.
The what?
Sometimes I like helping and teaching the litlins.
The litlins.
Sometimes I don't mind. Other times,
see, that's why Strike Force is nice, man, because a lot of those kids, they like to learn.
I should do a time at Strike Force.
You have to, dude.
I've never been.
Oh, he fucked you?
Yeah.
Good.
How was it? It was amazing. It was amazing.
Every time he farts now, it's going to be...
It's what they told me the milk never happened. He never walked.
When he walks down, he's like
that.
The only reason I came out there is just so that guy knew I came out there.
No, I know.
Not like I was questioning you.
He can shoot my gun if he wants.
Well, you know what it was, though? The guy that you came by that I was talking to, that wasn't even the guy that complained it was his body. The guy, so I didn't know if you told him.
Oh, okay.
The guy I was talking to was actually cool. He was there with his son, and they were having a great time.
Okay.
And then the buddy just freaked out, so now they all left.
I was like, hey, sorry about that man on his way. Whatever.
It's his anus.
But I need to get a flashlight.
Yeah, I do. I would need to buy the flashlight and the mirror.
Oh, wait, I remember. It's when I'm on the fly.
I want a motherfucking pumpkin. I need a pumpkin. Just give me a pumpkin. I want a pumpkin. I want a motherfucking pumpkin. I need a pumpkin. Just give me a pumpkin.
Trying to give it stiff and need to give me a pumpkin. It's something about getting head while I am dumping. I'm tired of talking about the tiger, the holding it, so I'm dragging it with me. And then I sit on the toilet that I said,